I'm walking up towards the peak of Moel Hebog here, along this lovely shoulder. And one thing that's very noticeable as I approach the summit is how relatively flat it is compared to some of the other peaks in Snowdonia. I guess in part it reflects the fact that it's about 300 metres lower than the peak of Snowdon. It lies at 782 metres. As you can see, it's almost like a plateau and quite flat, and there's the trig point in the background. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk you towards the trig point so we can look at the views towards the west. So I'm approaching the trig point now, and you can see the Llŷn Peninsula in the distance. So there's the Llŷn Peninsula with Reifl in the distance in the clouds, and Gyrndy and Gyrn Goch nearer towards us. And then if I pan towards the right hand side, you'll see the famous Nantlle Ridge, one of the best walking routes in the UK. And then in front of us here is Moel Hebog and Moel Leven behind Moel Hebog. If we carry on along the Nantlle Ridge towards the end, we'll see Llŷn y Gader. Gader means chair. And then in the distance behind Llŷn y Gader, you can see Moel Eilio, Volgron, and then Moel Cynghorion. And then in the far distance, Elidir Fawr, and then nearer towards us, Wyddfa or Snowdon. And then to the right of Snowdon is the Lliwedd and Araran. If we pan to the right, and if you look behind these stones, you'll see the very prominent peak of Moel Hebog. And then panning to the right again, we'll see the peaks of y Cnicht and Moelwyn Mawr and Moelwyn Bach. And then we're panning down towards by Ceredigion or Cardigan Bay now, and you'll see the Rhiniogydd mountain range, and right in the distance you'll see Cadair Idris. So if we pan around again towards the Llŷn Peninsula, the clouds are actually coming in thick and fast now. There's Reifl and Gyrndy and Gyrn Goch again. So just take you on a walk southeast now, and we can see the Moelwynion again and y Cnicht, and that's Moel Hebog, and again Wyddfa and Lliwedd and Araran. So I'm looking down the shoulder that I walked up earlier. Quite an easy walk really from Beddgelert in the bottom there, and the walk starts near the train station. So if you walk from the car park towards the end of the car park, the path is very easy to find. And there's Nant Gwynant and Llyn Dinas in the background.